friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we on do not disturb in our Samsung phone. Friends, we want to on your do not disturb settings, so friends you can on it. And friends, now let's see how to on do not disturb in our Samsung mobile. In this video guys, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, we will on our phone setting to on do not disturb. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of settings. So once you can see guys your notification setting, friends tap here. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your do not disturb setting. Friends tap here. Friends, you want to on your do not disturb mode guys, you can on from this right side. So friends, you can see do not disturb mode will on, and friends you can see this do not disturb mode icon on your screen. So like that guys, you can on your do not disturb mode in your Samsung phone guys. After on guys do not disturb mode guys, you cannot use guys your sound and like your dial pad tones, your alarm like sorry guys your notification sound and guys your ringtone setting, you cannot use it. So like that guys, you can on your do not disturb mode in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video and we will meet on next video. Bye bye guys.